I would spend 2 hours there and come out with everything from a new outfit to a gallon of milk. I don't drink milk, so let's change that.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Welcome back to another What $100 Will Buy You video, where I go to some of our favorite stores, spend $100 and show you guys what I got for it. I'm pretty excited about today's video because I went to Target and you will not believe how much stuff I got. I'd have to say about 5 or so years ago, I used to shop at Target all the time for absolutely everything. I'd spend 2 hours there and come out with everything from a new pair of shoes to creamer for my coffee. Well, in the last couple of years, I've been a little bit disappointed at Target's clothing. And I'm not sure if it was the brands that they were offering or if the buyers were different. I don't know. What I do know is I am starting to like Target all over again. They have a few new brands that I really like, and some of that is back there. And the day that I went to Target, they were having some sort of cartwheel sale. Not only was the sale stuff on clearance, you could get another 20% off if you downloaded an app to your phone. And I did just that. And I believe that is what enabled me to buy so much stuff for $100. So let's get to it. I will say that I contributed to my jeans problem at Target, and unfortunately that was the only bottom that I got, along with many shirts and 2 pairs of shoes. That's a lot of stuff. So here are the jeans that I got, and this is what they look like. They have a weird bottom to them, which I don't know, maybe that looks fancy while they're on, but they also have a darker blue stripe on the side, which I'm not sure if I like or hate. I don't hate anything, if I like or dislike. So these jeans are going to be part of the next few outfits that I put on. Okay, so one of the brands that I'm liking from Target that is fairly new is called A New Day, or with the initials AND, A-N-D. And I got this. I have so many gray sweatshirts, but I thought, why not get one more? This one is different because the sleeves are poofy and kind of strange, and I thought that was cute. And a gigantic hood. I mean, this thing is huge. So I'll just put that on real quick. I like gray, can you tell? So again, nothing special. I enjoy the sleeves. So there's one thing. Next, I don't think I'm gonna try this on, but I need to show you that it was included in this haul. It's just a Woodstock sweatshirt. Both my husband and my best friend were born in 1969. One of them actually in Woodstock, but not the month that it was happening. And I like the pastel colors and the fact that the peace signs and the doves go right on my boobs. I didn't notice that when I bought it, but I'm noticing it now. So there's that. And the rest of the stuff I need to try on with jeans. So the jeans are going on with this sweater, which is a bell-sleeved little number that I thought was cute. Could be casual, could be a little dressier, so let's do this. And I'll have the jeans on too. 1, 2, 3. All right, here it is. The jeans, I'm not so sure about. The weird thing for me in the front is the zipper starts high. They're mid-rise, which is fine with me. And I don't know, I can't see my butt. And about the shirt, I feel like it's a little bit ill-fitting. When I put it on, it bunched up right here. And when I do that, I just feel like the sleeves aren't long enough. But that's not to say I don't like it. I do like it, it's just not the best fit. So next we have this sort of conservative, in my opinion, top. I don't wear patterns very often, but this has a very slight pattern to it. I felt like it would be a nice summertime, more formal shirt. I don't know what I mean by that, but let's try it out. It could be cute, I think, with a different pair of pants, because these are kind of making me a little unhappy. This could be cute, tucked in. So next I'm going to show you what I think is going to be my favorite outfit, even though it's with these jeans, and that is this pink shirt, which is kind of out of the ordinary for me to buy. And there's what that looks like. It's got some fancy fluttery sleeves, and I just thought that would be a nice departure from my plain stuff that I have. Oh, and these shoes. These are little ballet flats. Nothing special, but a nice pink color. And that matches enough in my opinion. And with that, I bought this cardigan. It also has bell sleeves and it's very soft and with some pockets, which I love to have pockets. So I'm gonna try this on. So here's that pink shirt. It has gold buttons on the sleeves and in the back, which I didn't need to unbutton in order to put on. I feel like I like it because it's very different from what I normally choose. So let's try those flats on with this outfit and see what we think. Okay, bye. All right, so there was that. I've got a little surprise. Yes, I got all that stuff and I was able to also buy a pair of black boots. They are lace up and have some buckles, and I'm gonna try that on with this cardigan, keeping this shirt on. I like the cardigan. I mean, who doesn't need a black cardigan? Let's try these boots on. Again with the string. These are complicated. They have zippers and lace up. So there's that. I'm gonna go take a full-length picture, but kind of cute. All right, so Target. Let's talk about the things that I am going to return and that I am going to keep. The boots, I'm keeping them. I think they'll go with a lot. Those are keepers. The gray puffy sleeved sweatshirt, I like well enough. I will keep it. The pink flats, not crazy about those. The pink shirt, I like it. I'm keeping it. The black sleeveless patterned shirt, I'm not crazy about. It could be because there's a pattern on it and I'm not quite used to that, or it could just be that it's ill-fitting. The bell-sleeved beige sweater. I don't think the sleeves are long enough and I don't think that it fit well over my chest area. I will try it again and see what I think. The Woodstock sweatshirt, I'm keeping it. It's cute. I can wear it around the house where no one can see where those peace signs lie. And the black sweater. I like it. I will wear this quite a bit. I am sure of it. It's comfortable and it's soft and it's kind of fun. Like a bell. Lastly, the jeans. The jeans. Do I need another pair of jeans? No. The answer is no. And do I like these enough to keep them? That might be a no as well. So for this haul at Target, I don't think I did too badly, especially since I don't try stuff on because I want to make sure that I do that with you guys and kind of talk through whether or not it fits or I like it. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. While I was at Target, I bought some stuff for another surprise giveaway. Surprise! It's a giveaway. But I was at Target and Sonia Kashuk, whatever. I like her. I like her stuff. So we're gonna have 2 winners this time, and each winner will get, well, you're all winners, losers. Proudly Pink brush set, and it comes with a little carrying case for those brushes. I believe it's a little travel size. You each get one of those. Each of you will get a set of false eyelashes from Sonia Kashuk and this beautiful red lipstick. They are in the color red orange, which I know is very popular right now. And what I love to do is wear this red orange with very minimal makeup so that my lips pop. So yeah, that's kind of a random 3-piece giveaway, but it's all stuff that I would like. As with the other surprise giveaways, the winners will be named 1 week from when this video is posted. If you need any other information, it's down below in the description box. Just be sure to also leave a comment. Doesn't matter what it is. And that's basically it. And that is also it for this What $100 Will Buy You at Target video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos.